M18 FUEL 12-gallon dual-battery wet-dry vacuum has picked up everything that I have attempted to pick up with it. Never leaves anything behind.
Nails, wood pieces, drywall. I mean, it sucks everything up. Very easy compared to a lot of other ones I've used in the past.
Having the dual battery in the wet-dry vac helps with power and makes it last a lot longer. It sucks up stuff better. That's fantastic.
The hose has been amazing. The nails when we cut through the hoses and like that.
Doesn't kink, doesn't fold bad, it stays in shape.
I'm not afraid to pull the whole vacuum, even with 3 to 5 gallons of water or liquid in there. I had no fear of doing it with that vacuum.
Real easy to maneuver, turned pretty much on a dime.
You can push it over debris, you can push it over bumps and stuff like that without no hesitation.
The premium cart has the long handle, the big wheels, areas where you could just store all the accessories.
The M18 wet dry vac is very versatile. Being able to put different heads on different containers is really nice.
I also do multiple different types of jobs. Like if I'm coming in just to do a small repair or something, I want a smaller vacuum. I don't want a big vacuum.
The smaller ones are nice for like when I'm inside a bathroom or a smaller area, still be able to fit in there.
It's just so much more helpful. You can take it anywhere.
And when I'm doing a big demo, I do want a big vacuum that has a lot of space and I don't need to make multiple trips.
This is something that's always there for you. With power, without power, you always have a vacuum to help you clean up your mess.
Being able to go cordless and keep a clean site, that's what it's all about.